Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make bullet point in Google Docs side by side. Open your Docs file and firstly select Insert and I will draw a 3 columns table. Now I will paste here text. Also align this text center. Now I will put bullet point and simply select text. Now click this bullet point option and see this bullet point added. Also I'll add here the bullet point. Hello. And see this bullet point are added now. Now simply select whole table and select right button. Here we will find this table properties and scroll down. Here we will find this table border color. Select here white border color. Also select here background color white and see this 3 bullet point already added side by side. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.